King Kuba HVAC Chronicles, welcome back, guys. We got a Friedrich unit, and the remote wasn't working. All right, it was blank. So we got to figure out, why is this AC not giving me a desired temperature that I set it to on this remote? Now, you know I'm hungry, but if you're hungry, you know the slogan. Let's eat. Welcome back, my King Cooper family. We have the remote control. If you can see this a little bit, it's a little tint that says about 69, 64, something like that, but you can't read it. So that's indicating to me that the batteries are low. So let's change the batteries and see, can we read that a little bit better to get a clearer understanding. All right, so they AAA. I had two fresh ones that I picked up. Let's throw those in there. All right, now you can see everything, guys. Okay, so let's start that. Put it down to 64. Let's wait for the cool air to come up out of there. Now I'm going to test with my handy dandy and see exactly on there. So this reading 73, 72. So we got to wait for this to come down to about 64 so we can say we have completed our task. 70, do you see this still dropping? This is why handy dandy is one of the best tools I own. 69, 68. So that means that refrigerant in that compressor outside on the unit is doing its job. You see that's dropping? But with the batteries dead, you can't control that and see exactly what temperature you're at. So whenever you have coolant that's not coming out to the desired temperature and you see a glare and no readings on this remote, change your batteries. All right, so now we got this thing working. Let's see some of the features. Swing, let's see what swing does. I press swing, you see that light up. You see how that's moving? You see how this is moving? Look closely. It's moving. All right. Then let's try this one. Let's do it to that. Let's set it for that. Oh, y'all see that moving? That's the beauty about this system. It moves directional. So you might be at one end of the couch and it might be right in the middle of your TV. You might want it to go to your wife or your husband. It can go side to side, up and down. That's the beauty of this. And y'all can see this moving. All right. And when you press one of these buttons, this operational button should click, which is indicating that it has got confirmation from this remote of the operation, what to do, okay? And the number one problem to these units that water leaks out is that you got your drain right here, but it gets clogged up from the filter that's dirty, so it ends up going into the pan and it clogs this up, which is your drain line going down like I showed you guys. So you have to take this whole cover off, take this off, filters off, and then you got to get up in there. I'll show you that on another day because that's too much work. Probably at least about 7, 8 screws, probably a little more than that. Some of them are different, but most of them are the same. All right, so we good. That's the video for today. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all tune into another one. Peace.